Dealers often charge thousands of dollars to replace this ABS module with a new unit that can have the same design flaws that caused the original to fail. But the best replacement part might actually be the one you already have in your vehicle. Hey, I'm Mark with Circuit Board Medics, and if your vehicle is showing ABS or traction control lights, stick around because we're going to talk through how to safely remove and reinstall your ABS for repair. The ABS we're going to be removing in this video is a Bosch 8.0 ABS for a 2007 through 2014 Ford F150, but the process will be similar for other vehicles. The tools you'll need for this removal process are a 10mm wrench or socket, 5mm E-Torx, also known as an inverted Torx, a 1/4-inch drive ratchet, and a flashlight. Some other tools that aren't essential but might be helpful are a telescoping magnet and a flathead screwdriver or pry tool. First up, you're going to want to remove the key from the ignition and disconnect the negative battery terminal with the 10mm wrench. Then wait about 5 minutes to let all residual power dissipate. Next up, we're going to locate the ABS. The ABS on this vehicle was located on the driver's side of the engine bay beneath the air filter housing, and you'll find it mounted to the hydraulic control unit or HCU. At this point, it's important to note that you're only disconnecting the ABS module and you should not disconnect any of the brake lines. Up next, we're going to disconnect the electrical connector from the ABS by pressing the locking tab and rotating the lever upward. As the lever rotates upward, it will push the connector away from the housing, then just gently remove it. If you're having trouble disconnecting the plug, this is where you can use a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool to assist, but be sure not to force it because we don't want to damage the plug. Next up, we're going to remove the mounting screws. The ABS module is mounted to the HCU using 4 E-Torx screws. 2 are located on top and 2 are located underneath, and you may need to access them by feel. Be sure to remove all 4 carefully, and if you do happen to drop one, you can use that telescoping magnet to easily pick it up. Finally, once all 4 screws have been removed, you're ready to remove the module. Gently wiggle the module away from the HCU. Be sure not to pry between the module and the aluminum housing, and avoid touching the solenoid pins and solenoids. And that's it. Now that you've removed your module, you're ready to send it in for repair. As I mentioned before, a new part from the dealership can have the same built-in design flaws as the old part that just failed on you, making it only a matter of time before that one fails too. But here at Circuit Board Medics, we remanufacture your part to be better than new. The process is simple. Simply find your part on our website and match the symptoms to ensure it's the right repair service. Then place your order online or over the phone and ship your part to us. When it arrives, our technicians will fully rebuild and test your module to ensure it's restored to its proper working condition. Then we ship it back to you, ready to reinstall. Now that you have your remanufactured part back, let's reinstall it. Begin by aligning the module with the hydraulic unit and HCU valves. Then reinstall the 4 mounting screws. Then reconnect the electronic connector by rotating the locking lever downward until fully seated. You should hear a click. Next, reconnect the negative battery terminal. To run a quick post-install check, you can turn the ignition to on and verify that all warning lights cycle normally. Finally, if you have any stored diagnostic codes, you can clear those with a scan tool if necessary. That's it. You've removed, repaired, and reinstalled your ABS module. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more professional repair guides from Circuit Board Medics.